So with the O365 platform, one of the main key issues within an organisation is how to digitise a lot of the documentation that's coming through an organisation and how to provide some key governance around it to enable people to manage that platform and the documentation within it.
Yeah, exactly. And obviously the big thing is once you've got those documents digitised, actually being able to retrieve them again to be able to provide value to the data that you've already got.
Engage is a suite of technologies that allows you to OCR, provide a taxonomy, manage a document as it goes through the organisation and then search against it. Can you give me a bit more detail about what that Engage suite of products is to you?
Yeah, of course. So it starts off with Vision AI and Vision AI Pro. They are designed to apply artificial intelligence at various levels from a document from its point of scan as it gets uploaded into SharePoint Online as part of the Office 365 ecosystem. And that applies a certain number of items to that. It will OCR, so apply optical character recognition to a document. It will use handwriting recognition in order to produce a digital version of that document that can be used further down the line. We can also provide sentiment analysis, language detection, and also generate a synopsis of those documents at the point that they actually hit SharePoint.
So it enables a document to come into the organisation and be automatically have a taxonomy applied to it automatically.
Absolutely, yeah. It's designed to apply those metadata tags which can then be used globally across your SharePoint tenancy. So Routing Plus is a modern content organizer. It's bringing content organizer rules into the 21st century. That is designed to use the metadata that we've tagged using Vision AI and Vision AI Pro, using those to apply rules to make sure that we push that document to the correct location with the correct metadata to the correct audience with the correct security applied. Once it's in that location, we then need to be able to retrieve it again, which is where Search Plus comes in, which is using Office 365 search, but using our own enhancements to give a metadata specific search experience.
So Routing Plus is effectively taking a document and sending it to the right area of the organisation, to the right person that needs to consume that document. And Search Plus is the ability for anybody in the organisation to access that documentation within the organisation using standard search capabilities on the O365 platform, plus the technology which we've used to enhance that.
So finally, we have Provisio. Everything that we've done up until now is designed to help an organisation grow in terms of the way that they manage their data. Provisio does that by allowing us to template sites and libraries and allowing us to replicate those in a governed way, which means that you're still empowering the users to create these objects going forward, but you're doing it in a way that IT and certainly a governance board can ensure that all rules are adhered to.
So it's a service which enables the people managing the platform to provide a templated view out to the business and therefore pushing out and delegating some of those services out of the IT department.
Exactly, empowering the user without taking away any of their rights.
Okay, so now we know the key issues that a business might have. If they need to talk to us about it, they can get into contact and we can sit down and go through their business issues and see how we can apply this technology suite to assist them in the business.
Ricoh.